Your inbox is not a storage locker. Welcome, I'm Bob. Today we're going to talk about a simple habit that not only keeps you organized, but secretly protects you from scammers. Treat your inbox like a front porch mailbox. Your inbox should be a place where new mail arrives, not a dark storage unit where every old message lives forever. The difference between a crowded inbox and a processed one. An overflowing inbox isn't just stressful. It actually gives bad actors a place to hide. My golden rule of the inbox. You don't need to be a computer expert to stay organized. Just ask yourself one question. Do I still need to do something with this? If the email still needs action, then it can stay in the inbox. If not, you are finished with it. Then move it where it belongs. The desktop sorting machine. After reading an email, you only have 3 choices. Reply to it, file it away, or throw it out. A clean inbox does not mean a deleted inbox. Inbox 0 is not about deleting everything. If you might need a receipt or a message later, simply use the archive folders or labels. It keeps the email safe, but gets it off your kitchen counter. Why scammers love digital clutter. Fake bank alerts, delivery scams, password warnings, and phishing messages rely on camouflage. They hide easily in a crowded inbox, hoping you'll click on them in a rush while sorting through the noise. A fake account locked email is much easier to question when it isn't buried among hundreds of unread messages. Without the noise, the scams have nowhere to hide. Tidiness is your first line of defense. When only unfinished items remain in your mailbox, strange or unexpected emails stand out faster. By staying organized, you are actively defending yourself. How to handle a suspicious arrival. If an email makes it to your clean inbox and it looks urgent or strange, just follow these 3 steps. Number 1, slow down, never rush to click a link. Number 2, check the sender. Look closely at the actual email address, not just the name. Number 3, go direct. Use the company's official website or app instead of trusting the email link. You control your digital front porch. Inbox 0 is not about being perfect. It's about knowing what still needs your attention and what doesn't. Take it one day at a time. Keep the important stuff, toss the junk, and leave the scammers out in the cold. Stay safe out there. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.